what is up? So today we are going to be doing a measuring lab for school, and I'll be showing you how to measure things properly in this video. We are going to be measuring brown sugar, flour, baking soda, everything you need to use for baking usually, and I'm going to show you how to properly measure everything so your baked goods will come out good. So if you are a person that doesn't know how to measure anything, well, you're in the right place, because now we are going to go measuring. Alright, so here is our assignment. We are going to measure some all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, half cup sifted confectioner sugar, 2/3 cup brown sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of salt, and 16 ounces of water. Now we are also going to go through what a mise en place is, safety, sanitation, proper dress. I'm at home, so that doesn't matter. And yeah, we're going to be pretty professional to ace this 28 points. So let's go to the kitchen now. Alright guys, let's first off start off with our mise en place. Now we got everything laid out properly, we got all of our utensils, and this is what you call your mise en place. Alright guys, so as you can see we have two bowls right here. I'm going to fill this up with some flour right here, and I'm going to show you how to measure it in the proper way. So let's go. Alright guys, let's start off by measuring some flour first. So we're going to measure 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour like it says, and you just want to basically do a heaping scoop. So go ahead and just dig right into the flour like so, and make sure you get a nice heaping scoop of flour. Next off, get a bench scraper or a flat knife or something, and just tap and scrape at the same time. Make sure it is completely level to get the most accurate reading. So now we got 1/4 cup. Just repeat the same process, tap and scrape, and look how even the top is. This will provide the best accurate measurement. Alright guys, next off we got our granulated sugar. As you can see, those are tiny little granules, and that's what makes granulated sugar. We are going to scoop 1/3 cup like so, and you're just going to want to level it out. And look how level it looks. This is the most accurate reading you're going to get. Next off, we got our confectioner sugar. We are going to get 1/2 cup of sifted confectioner sugar, but I'm just going to sift a bunch of flour in a bowl first. Just go ahead, fill up the sifter with a cup of sugar first, like so. Go ahead and sift it out, just like so. And when I start sifting it down, you can see the tiny chunks that haven't been sifted yet, and that is what we're trying to get rid of. So as you can see, as we keep on sifting, there are bigger chunks, and that is what we are trying to eliminate. So just go ahead and use your hand and just squish them through the mesh, and this will provide a nice sifted sugar. So now get your 1/2 cup, and we're gonna go ahead and do another heaping scoop. So make sure you get a nice heaping scoopful, and you're gonna want to go ahead and get your bench scraper or whatever you're using and tap and scrape like so. And look how level it looks. This is the most accurate way you're gonna get the measurement. Next off, we got to do brown sugar. We are gonna do 2/3 cups of brown sugar. So go ahead and get 1/3 cup. Just go ahead and pack it like so, and go ahead and scrape the excess away on top. And as you can see, this is a nice 1/3 cup. So if you did it right, it will look like a tiny sandcastle. As you can see, it holds its formation like so, and just go and repeat it with the next one you have to do. And just go ahead and squish it with the same amount of force you did last time, and you'll get 2 1/3 cups that are pretty equal to each other. Alright, next off we're going to be measuring a teaspoon of baking soda. So as you can see, we got a large bag of baking soda. Take a heaping scoop like so, and just go ahead and get your leveler device, which is a bench scraper or whatever you're using once again. And look how level that is. So as you can see, this is an accurate reading of a teaspoon of baking soda. Next, we're going to do a tablespoon of salt. So go ahead and get yourself a bowl of salt. Just go ahead and do another heaping scoop like so, and just level it off with your bench scraper or knife. As you can see, level, this means it's pretty accurate. Next off, I'm going to be showing you how to measure some water. So we are going to be measuring 16 ounces of water. Now when you measure water, you want to make sure your eyesight is level with the cup. because this will make sure you are hitting the line properly, because if you're looking on top of it, it can be inaccurate. So you have to look directly level to the line. Now that is the most accurate way to measure the water, and I hope you guys enjoyed the whole measuring lab thing. Hey guys, well that was it of the quick measuring lab thingy-majiggy that I did today. And this was just a really quick video to show you guys how to properly measure things in our baked items so they can come out amazing and the same way other people make it. Because I know people make mistakes of measuring brown sugar and flour. They just do a heaping scoop without leveling it out or anything, and that affects their baked goods for real. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please be sure to drop a like and subscribe.